Understanding the divine blueprint hidden in your birth date is just the beginning. It reveals the path you are meant to walk, but the journey depends on the steps you take. What's next is learning how to align with your purpose, deepen your connection with God, and live in harmony with the spiritual cycles and lessons encoded in your life. Part 1. Living in alignment with your life path. Your life path number is a guide, not a limitation. It highlights your strengths, but it also reveals areas where growth is necessary. To live in alignment with your life path, ask yourself these questions. Am I embracing my strengths, or am I holding myself back with fear or doubt? Am I overcoming the challenges associated with my number, such as indecision, procrastination, or over-control? Am I using my gifts to serve others and glorify God? Practical applications. Daily reflection. Spend time in prayer or meditation, asking God how you can use your talents to fulfill your purpose. Journaling. Reflect on moments where you felt most aligned with your life path traits. Here's a simple but powerful steps you can take to help you stay focused and aware. Create a list of small, purposeful actions to help you live in alignment with your life path. Part 2. Understanding spiritual cycles. Ecclesiastes 3:1 reminds us, to everything there is a season and a time for every purpose under heaven. Just as there are seasons in nature, there are spiritual cycles in your life. These cycles are reflected in your personal year number, which changes every year based on your birth date and the current year. To calculate your personal year, add your birth month and day to the current year. For example, if you were born on July 16th and it's 2024, add 7 plus 1 plus 6 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 4 equals 22. This is a master number representing a year of building and transformation. Please stay conscious and in the present as I give the explanation of each personal year. Year 1, New Beginnings and Opportunities. Year 2, Relationships, Partnerships, and Patience. Year 3, Creativity, Self-Expression, and Joy. Year 4, Stability, Hard Work, and Foundation Building. Year 5, Change, Freedom, and Adaptability. Year 6, Responsibility, Love, and Service. Year 7, Spiritual Reflection and Growth. Year 8, Ambition, Success, and Material Abundance. Year 9, Completion, Letting Go, and Preparation for a New Cycle. As we continue to next part, please remember to like and subscribe.